Robert, and you're watching Backyard Bodyworks. Hey everybody, I'm Robert. You are watching Backyard Bodyworks. We are out in the workshop working on the GT6. We're working, this episode or this series is going to be working on the driver's side floors, sills, and rocker panels and getting all that rotten metal removed and replaced. Finally, the time has come, it's here. I went ahead and ordered the parts and they arrived this past week. And we're gonna go ahead and unbox that and show you what we got. Make sure that everything looks good. We're gonna start working on getting the car. We're gonna turn the car around and make sure everything is ready to go. So, thanks for stopping by the shop. Let's go ahead and get started, get this stuff unboxed and see what we got. Guys, that's going to conclude it for today. We have I've got the car where I want it and I've got it positioned how I need it. We are going to start with just like we did on the other side, we're going to start with the floor and we're going to work our way out as far as the way the floors are going to go in, which means we're going to start cutting out the floors and some other pieces here and there, and then we're going to start fitting things together. We will not do any welding until I am comfortable that everything fits like it should, and then we will weld everything up. And this time, before I weld anything into place, I'm going to put the driver's side door in, not necessarily the door that was in it, but the door that's going to go in it, so that I can see how that fits. And we can close the bonnet and we can make our adjustments accordingly. Thanks for stopping by. Come back tomorrow and we will go ahead and get things started. Till then, bye. Hey everybody, I'm Robert. You're watching Backyard Bodyworks. Today is Sunday, June the 27th. And we are back out in the garage in the restoration shop working on the GT6. And we're making a plan as to how to get the old metal out and the new metal in. And so far what I'm thinking what we're going to do is we're going to start with the outer sill that's left from when we were trimming it up last year, and we're going to start removing all this extra metal to get to the inner A-post or the lower A-post, and start removing that and this transition piece here in the door, as well as the outer sill part here of the door, and work our way back to here. And then we will see about what we're going to do here, because there's some significant rot on this piece back here, so we got to figure out what we're going to do here. It doesn't look like it's gotten into the rear wheel well at all, so that's good. We are going to then remove the floor pan and start fitting that in. Of course, not today. But once we have all the metal removed, we will start back in the center and work our way out to the edge like we did on the passenger side. I've got the door sitting over there. I am going to take all the innards out of it and put it in the other door that we have for this car, and then I will start fitting the door to the car and as we go, use it to check the fit of everything to make sure before we weld anything that everything's good. So thanks for stopping by the shop. Let's just go ahead and get started. Alright guys, we're going to end it up for today. We got all of this has been taken out and smoothed out, and as you can see, we got Swiss cheese down here at the bottom. The upper part of the metal is in really good shape actually. It's a lot better shape than it was over on the other side. But over here in the corner, I've got some, like right here, this piece right here is going to require some metal work, as it is rotten along that edge where the B post comes down to meet the sill. And I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do there yet. I might be able to just put in a little shelf to strengthen that, and then be able to put the sill in. But the sill fits. I got the sill fitted. It looks pretty good. I'm actually pleased with these parts. These parts actually look and fit pretty well so far. I'm still worried about this piece, but we will see later on when we get that cut out how that's going to go in. So this was a good place to stop until next Sunday or next week. I'm only able to work a couple, there we go. I'm only able to work, 1 or 2 days a week now since I've got the shop over at Pompeii, and so things are moving a little slower than I'd like, but it's not so bad that it's going to take a long time to get this cut out and fitted and put everything back up. So all right, let's go ahead and cut it out for today, and we will be back next week with taking the A-post out and the strengthener and the inner sill and the cross member, and start working on getting the floor out so that we can start fitting the floor in first, because we want to get that and then work out, and hopefully it will all go together fairly quickly, and then we will be pretty much done with the body and we can move on to the frame. So that's the plan. Let's move on. right, guys, that's going to conclude this video. We've gotten to a stopping point where I'm happy. Let's see, this piece here, I've decided that the piece that's on the car is fine. I don't need this. I will be keeping that. There's no holes in it. The metal is sound. There's not any holes or pits, and it doesn't feel crunchy or anything like that down here on the bottom of the, where that sill was rotting out. It's fine. The only place that needs to be fixed is this little corner here on the lower wheel well frontal part. Next video, we're going to fit this piece, which means we're going to finish cutting this out and repairing this, and then we're going to move into the floor area to start removing parts of the floor and start measuring that. But first of all, we're going to start with this area here and getting all this repaired and just moving in, and we're going to do like we did on the other side. We're going to start in the center and we're going to work our way out for the repair. So thanks for stopping by the shop. Thanks for all your support. Continue to like and follow. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to get notified every time we upload a video, either on this project or any of the other projects that we're doing, click the notification bell and that will alert you every time that we upload a video. If you like what we're doing here and this is interesting to you, subscribe to the channel and help us grow. Thanks so much for everything that you guys have done to make this possible. We're at 112 subscribers as of right now, and I couldn't do that without y'all's help. Thank you so much. See you next video. Until then, keep it shiny. Bye.